밀워? 밀워?
Oh, so close. Did not quite hit the mark there on that one. You guys are going to get to see a little bit of training. So here at the Bird Show, we're always training all of our birds. And a lot of people ask us, what keeps these birds around? How come they don't just fly away? And that's a little something we call positive reinforcement. Now what that simply means is that these birds learn that they get what they want here on the stage. And today for Phoenix, that happens to be a nice juicy mouse in the side of Courtney's glove here. Now if you can't see her, she's right up here in this tree. So we're gonna get Phoenix back on track and here with our trainer so that we can move on to our next bird. Now, Harris's hawks are native to the southwest United States, so places like Texas, Arizona, New Mexico. Here she comes. All right. Good try, Phoenix. Maybe next time. Now, Harris's hawks are native to the southwest United States, places like Texas, Arizona, New Mexico. A little bit of wind here making flashes descend. A little bit interesting. Great catch, Flash. Now Harris's hawks, as you can see, are quite capable of catching small birds right out of the sky, and birds are among the extensive but they also eat other ground-dwelling mammals, even some burrowing mammals. And in fact, Harris's hawks are very unique for several reasons, one of which would be that they do not hesitate to go underground to continue a hunt into a burrow, which is unheard of for other birds.
Wow.
So a rabbit, let's say, were to go into his den, a Harris's hawk like Flash might be just as willing to go underground and continue that hunt underground. Now they are known for several other unique behavioral characteristics, one of which is that they live and hunt in groups. Now raptors typically live and hunt alone. Harris's hawks are unique because they often live and hunt in colonies, like I said, so they have the well-deserved nickname, the wolves of the sky. Now, along with that is another unique behavioral characteristic that they have, and that's called stacking. And that is exactly what it sounds like. One bird will literally stack right on top of another. Momentarily will be Nima, our African fish eagle. Now, Nima was hatched right here at the Los Angeles Zoo about 13 years ago. Now, as she flies over, she may look familiar to you, and that's because African fish eagles are closely related to our national bird, the American bald eagle. Now, both fish eagles and bald eagles both hunt mainly fish, which they